All right, thanks to my wonderful wife, I got this Slinger bag ball machine in today. Haven't opened it yet, so we'll be opening it up on video together. It's a pretty big box. I mean, sealed up fairly well. Not a whole lot of damage. A couple little hits here and there to the box, but let's get going and see what's in there. Tennis reinvented. So here's what's on top. Set that to the side. Recyclable foam. Okay, here seems to be a little bit difficult to get out of here. What else we have here? So I think this is the oscillator here. So here is the bag. Wheels down there. Looks like it's got a handle. A couple of zippers here. Let's see. Pickup tube. Doesn't look like there's anything else down here. Let's turn this around and see what might be in here, if anything. All right, so that's where the balls go. The hopper. And here, this is where we have the controls. So this is where you turn it on, and the balls come out here. This is battery here. So I'm going to have to go through this thing and figure out how to use it. It looks fairly simple. There's a lot of pockets. This pocket here has mobile phone camera holder, remote control. Looks like a USB charging port. Now this is the empty pocket. Put stuff in there. I think this is where you adjust the height of the ball machine, how high the ball shoots out. Let's see. There's something in here. A lot of these pockets have stuff in them. Cable charger pack. Okay. A sling, shoulder strap, something. That's what's in there. And I think that is all of the pockets. So I'm gonna have to go through this and figure out, get it charged up, take it to the courts and give it a shot. I'm excited. Again, thank you to my wonderful wife Deborah for getting this. This will be very cool. You can put a lot of stuff in this. I guess this is where your rackets go. This sprocket here, and it literally goes all, I mean, I have fairly long arms and it goes all the way to the bottom. I can imagine you could put enough stuff in there to survive for a couple of days at the cord if you needed to. So that's pretty cool. And then when you get everything out of there, it's really not that heavy at all. So that's a bit surprising. So yeah, I'm anxious to give this a try. Wanted to do an unboxing of what it looked like coming out of the box. So we did it together. Thanks a lot for watching.